if you want to believe in yourself, have confidence in yourself as a woman, definitely this video is what you should watch. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure you click on the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any video I drop on this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you home remedy you can use, to keep your husband with you 24 hours. This remedy is no joke. It's a recipe you can just see around, lying around in your house. So in this video, I'm going to be spilling the tea, okay? How you can jazz up your punani. Yeah, it is high time you start to, to patch up your punani, because as you all know, men are moved by what they can feel. Most importantly, what they can feel. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Perhaps you are a woman, you have a low self-esteem at your lower parts, down there at your if you have issues with your punani, you don't have confidence about it, definitely this is a video you should So if you want to keep your husband around you, you want your husband to fall in love with you over and over again, sis, you just have to jazz up your punani, okay? Your punani must, feel peng. Do you understand what I mean? Your punani must feel peng. When your husband, your fiancé, your boyfriend come into you, let him scream, wow. If you are interested in watching patching up your punani, jazzing up your punani, then this video is for you. So definitely watch this video from start to finish. Do not skip any part so that you won't miss any step, okay? Because this remedy works like fire. This is no joke. Don't be like Thomas. If you want to believe in yourself, have confidence in yourself as a woman, definitely this video is what you should watch from start to finish. And please, if there's any ad on this video, do not skip any ad on this video, please. I am begging, okay? And if you have not subscribed already, make sure you do that now. Click on the red highlighted button below, the subscribe button. It is definitely free. It is free of charge. Nobody's charging you for that. And also click on the bell right beside it so that you will get notified whenever I drop a new video. Yeah, a new video. Yes, and most importantly, give this video a thumbs up. It will really help my video. It will really help my channel grow. Yes. So without further say or do, let's get right into the video. This is the recipe we are going to be using. This recipe is going to firm and tighten up your punani. This remedy is most beneficial to women that just give birth and women that feels that their Jerusalem is too open. This remedy is amazing. It is very, very effective when used properly. Yes, guys. So guys, we are going to be using groundnut for this remedy. Make sure you don't skip any step of this video. Remember to subscribe and thumbs up this video, and also feel free to share this video. Just get right into the video. So this is what I did. I washed the groundnut and I pour it inside the pot. And I also had some water. Then I'm going to boil it till it is cooked. So this is the groundnut. It is done already. So I'm going to leave it to cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to sieve it. So right now I'm going to sieve the water. And voila, this is what we need. This is what we need. So you are going to be taking this water, groundnut water, twice a week, and trust me, you are going to get a very tightening punani. You're going to gain your confidence back, and trust me, your husband is going to fall in love with you over and over again with the experience he will get with you. Okay, yes, because I've told you earlier, men are moved by what they I hope this video is helpful. I hope you like this video. If you do, please thumbs up this video. Remember to click on the subscribe button, most importantly, and leave a comment below telling me what you love about this video, telling me your opinion about this video. I would like to hear your feedback. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Yeah, bye.